Welcome back, everyone. And we are seeing a little bit of a tear from the old crypto sector, the big three. And of course, everybody's wondering what is going on. And now we're going to talk about it. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We are on a journey to take a little bit and to turn it into a ton. And that's the goal. So I'm still watching the charts. Obviously, you guys know I got my position and I'm waiting to pull the trigger to get into a monster position. We're not there yet for me personally. I'm waiting for one of two lines to break, either the upper end or the lower end, and that's kind of what I'm watching for. We're going to talk about in what you need to know for today. I hope you had a good day. Today's the kind of day where you see green in the markets. Let me check. Green in the stocks, green in the crypto. Everything seems to be green in the market, crypto, everything, and everybody's excited. Isn't it? Is this it? Is this the beginning of a big thing? Could be. And that's the thing. You never know. First thing I do know, though, code LEARN for joining the Discord is now there for a few more days. 50% off your first month. Get in there now. Click that link. Thousands of members. We are having a good run. Down below, a couple shout outs to some people. Luca, Bronny, James, let's go. Donnie Lama in the house. Brian B in the house. Brian B. Whoa, we got all kinds. Coog, we'll go Coog. There you go. Coog in the house. iBeach in the house. Ace Master in the house. iBeach with more wins. We got all kinds. The Arkansas Dog dropping wins. 808 Tensei, one of our expert traders. Jimmy in there. Front and options, another one of our expert traders. James in the house. Coog in the house. D-Gen in the house. Steve Smith here. Let's go. Hot farts in the house. And Blurple. Armad dropping wins. Brandon dropping wins. Lots of them. So, hey, I'm proud of everybody. I'm glad everybody's sharing that positivity. If you want to be in there, folks, don't hesitate. It's like 80-something cents a day after you use code LEARN. It should be automatic at the checkout. It's 50 bucks, but it goes down to 25. I think I had it set up automatically that you don't have to put it in, but if you do, LEARN, LEARN. That's what we're talking about. Save 15% on an annual pass there. We do have the workshop lessons. You can see here, code money will save you 20 bucks off of any of the ones we have here. That link is down below. And of course, the framework is ready to rock. That is on the house. So these links are right here. Boom, boom, and boom. And you got to click more and go to, where do we have that? Kraken, right here, right? They're all mixed up there, but you'll see them. First one is over to the Discord. Second one's to the webinar. Third one is to Kraken. And fourth one's over to the sessions. All right, now let's take a look at what's going on. Now, as you can see, across look at this beautiful thing. Tons and tons and tons of green. Green everywhere. Green across the board. Everybody's watching the green. And that's what everybody wants. They want to see everything happening. Dow up, S&P up, NASDAQ up, Russell up, the VIX up. Crypto up, Bitcoin up. Let's see ETH up. Boom. Let's see XRP exploding higher 7%. Wow, is all I got to say. Now, you guys know, and I'll say it again, I got about 100K in crypto, so I'll take these green days just like any other day. And you can see we're having a flippening on the Qs on the daily. I told you I followed the charts. When the charts change, I change. And so right now we hit the base, or we hit up here at resistance, pushed all the way down to what we now know is support. The 5 crossed the 13 right here. Now we're coming back up, and the 5, what I call a reversal, is where the 5 crosses back over the 13 here. And so you have this where it's called a flip-flop. And for me, when I watch this, that normally means we're going to have more upward motion when it comes to the Qs. Even though we have the liquidity issues and everything else, you just don't know. And that's the thing about the technicals. I try to take the emotion out, go with what the candles give me, and let it roar. We'll see how it goes. Now, we'll go to XRP first. That is running like a champ right now. So when we get here, this is what we're seeing. This is what I'm watching. And of course, from the top up here in the 330s, I told you what I've been waiting for is to break 332. Breaking 332 would be monstrous for me. If we get above 332, This is where I think we're going to that $4 to $5 range. If we break and confirm 332, just break and finish above 332. That's all I want. Now, we haven't done that yet, but man, oh man, oh man, you can see right here between, and you can see this. This is plain as day. So what I'm looking for basically is this, and you guys can see that, well, it's a little crooked. That's okay. But you guys can see this right here, right between these two lines. For the last week, we've been in this very, very small zone. Now, this was Friday when the Fed came out and saved the day. We pushed all the way back down to that support. Now we're back up there today. If we get a push above there for tomorrow's candle and we get back above, folks, I'm telling you, the 5 is going to cross back to 13, and I feel all warm and fuzzy. We're going back up to 332. We're now at 307, and it looks delicious right now in terms of what XRP is doing. You can see it's just a moonshot. A lot of shorts are getting absolutely clobbered right now. And that's it. That's what we're watching for. So 307.3, that looks good. And then we go over to Ethereum. Ethereum's the one that's been holding up the best. It's always unbelievable to me when you see a lot of these. Now, I was doing some graphing for some people, showing them the stock mode unicorn and how we are looking at another consolidation period. A little bit more volatile, but we are there. And last time we had the stock mode unicorn, we did break up as expected, made a lot of money on that, locked in those gains, and now I'm in between massive plays. And so for me, taking the emotion out of it, I am waiting to break either above here, which is 4838, which it would be a confirmation there, or to break down below 4068 roughly. We'll just say that, roughly. You got the stock mode UFO up here where I think we would go if we break. You can see the Bollinger Bands are tightening up. As they tighten up, just like they did here, you wait for that breakout. The breakout could be up or down. Normally, when we're above the 50 EMA, I do expect it to be a northward breakout. I expect much the same here. Just let me be blunt. I am very, very bullish by the end of this year. I want to get through this whole liquidity thing with the Treasury and the Fed. And after that, I'll feel all warm and fuzzy to take some serious, I'm talking 7-digit risk. But until then, I'm not all warm and fuzzy. Even when we have a monster green day, like you're seeing right here, of course, you know, hey, it's like, hey, don't you want to be all in on that? Don't you want to be running? And of course, who doesn't? But at the end of the day, the candles, as I keep telling you, are kind of telling me a story. You have a monster green candle, little red, little green, monster red candle, nice green candle. And so now what I'm looking for is to see if we can break up here at the 48.34. If so, if we break that and we get that confirmation, I do believe we're going to start to truly take off to some ridiculous levels. But if it goes all the way back down to that support over the next week or two, and we hit 4068 or below, I'm buying big time at the 50 because I am so bullish for the long term. So I'm going to let the candles dictate exactly what I'm going to do. Take the emotion out. Be patient. I'm not going to let a 7% here. Where are we at? 45.80. Just say 4,600. So I'm looking at 5-6% to get to here. 4,600 to get down to 4,000. That's a different story. It would have to drop about 15% to get down to there. So I can patiently let a couple percentage points go just to feel good about my trade, or wait until we get down to there where I feel good about the trade as well. So all motion out, I will have my buy period right here or right here. And so that's what I'm waiting for when it comes to Ethereum. I have some XRP. I have some Ethereum. I have 0 Bitcoin. 0 Bitcoin. Did I show Bitcoin today? I don't think I did. So let's, oh wow. This is why, and that, oh wow, it's not a good looking chart. So the 13 crossed today. You had a little bit of a reprieve after pushing down. I call this a bottle rocket. Normally gives us more green as we go forward, but the 13 just crossed, and when that happens, this usually gives us more red as it crosses. So something has to give here. And I tend to give more weight to the 13 crossing the 50. In other words, over the next 3 days, I am not going to be shocked to see us go back under 110,500. 110,500. And that's what I'm watching for when it comes to this. So If this does what I think it's going to do, we're going to drop back down below the 110,500 level. And of course, retest. And if I had to guess yes or no, retest the 108.3, just say 108,400 level. So that's what I think's going to happen based on this chart with the 13 coming down. And I know we're having a green day today, and I know everybody's excited, and I know everybody's pumped. But when it comes to the Bitcoin, you know, and this could be a reversal. We could see a nice reversal up, the retest of 50. And that would be great. I want everybody who's bullish to make money, all that good stuff. But for me, Bitcoin, I'm just kind of watching this. This is the most bearish out of the 3 charts I have up here. And it doesn't, you know, this isn't one that I'm like, oh, I want to jump in. Now, the Ethereum one, oh, you know, I try not to trade with emotion. But that one, I just, oh man, I want to get into that one. But I'm waiting. I told you I'm waiting, so I'll keep updating, let you guys know what's going on. All right, so that's the update for today. If you haven't done it, get over there to the Discord. First link down below. Second link down below is going to be over to the webinar. And this is on the house where I'm teaching for an hour. You guys can learn how to learn the technicals. Take advantage of that. And I think that's right here. Yeah, you just got to sign up. Third link down below is over to Kraken, where they got their promotion with the Trade 100, the 25 XRP. You got to use my link for that, and I do recommend that. And the fourth link down below, the Candle Workshop. We got it up. All the guys have all their stuff up. We got a bundle. Code MONEY, MONEY, will save you 20 off, and you guys can jump in there and take advantage of that. It's going to be a great one. So that's on September 7th. We're going to do that one about 2 weeks out. Let's give everybody some time to sign up, and that's up to you, but that's what we're doing. All right, folks, that's the update for today. I appreciate you stopping by. I will see you in the Discord.